This is our rifle collection. Let's look over here. These two rifles right here, we bought them at a flea market for 25 bucks a piece. Right?
Yes. Let me shed some light on this subject. This is all wood stock, one piece, no safety, brake barrel, spring piston powered, 5.5mm pellet. Iron sight broke off up here. Over here, same thing. All one piece, wood stock, no safety. Single shot pellet, 5.5. Rifled steel barrel, same with that one over there. Both of them lost power significantly since we bought them. These two are Daisy 880 power lines. 50 BB reservoir, BB repeater, single shot pellet, pretty hard to get in there. This stock is plastic, this receiver is plastic, these are plastic, pneumatic pump, pretty powerful. As you can see, we painted this one. These two are Marlin model 795s. This stock is plastic, pretty strong plastic, not like that one. 10 shot clip, automatic, no. Last shot hold open, safety, rifled steel barrel, pretty good gun. Got them for Christmas by our Uncle TJ. It's awesome. Right here we have a Craftsman Recruit, plastic stock, plastic receiver, plastic thing right here. Safety, adjustable stock, 200 shot, 200 BB reservoir, 18 BB reservoir, 5 shot pellet clip. Pretty good gun. Right here we have a Craftsman 760 Pumpmaster. Plastic stock, plastic receiver, plastic safety. Same as that one, 18 and 200. Also 5 shot pellet clip. Pretty good guns. Over here we have Daisy model 105 bucks. Pretty good beginner's gun. It's for beginners. 400 capacity right here. Both of them. Same exact model. Not that hard to... Oh, this one's loaded. Not that hard to cock. Most of these aren't hard to cock. These 22 is really fun. Most of these guns are really fun. And that's all.